If you want to enable syncing on Gmail, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in Chrome, so your bookmarks, passwords, history, extensions, and browsing data stay synced across your devices. This is super helpful if you use Gmail on multiple phones, laptops, or computers and want everything to stay connected automatically. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the browser where you want syncing to be enabled. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This is usually the small account icon near the address bar. After you click it, a menu will appear with your Chrome account options. In that menu, click Turn on Sync. This starts the sign-in process for Chrome syncing. Next, you'll be asked to sign in with your Google or Gmail account. Enter the email address connected to the account you want to sync, then type your password and continue. If you're already signed in, Chrome may just ask you to confirm the account you want to use. Once you sign in, Chrome will show a confirmation prompt asking if you want to turn on sync. At this point, click Yes, I'm in. That confirms you want Chrome Sync enabled for your Google account. After that, syncing will begin automatically, and your Chrome data will start updating across all devices where you use the same account. That means if you save a bookmark on one device, it can appear on another. If you install an extension or save a password, Chrome can keep that information available wherever you sign in. If you ever want to check that sync is working, you can return to the profile menu in Chrome and look at your account status. You can also manage what gets synced by going into Chrome settings later if you want more control. And that's it. You've now enabled syncing on Gmail through Chrome in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tech videos, and leave a comment if you want help with another Gmail or Chrome setting.